Locate the pre-installed tubing and light cord from inside the fountain body. Attach the tubing to the pump and set the flow control dial to full strength. Securely connect the 2-pin light cord to the corresponding input on the pump. Place the pump inside the fountain basin and take note of the generous 10-foot cord that lessens the need for an extension cord. Make sure the pump sits at the bottom of the fountain basin with no kinks or bends in that tubing. Add the birds securely into the pinholes. Enjoy your fountain